Hi, I'm Nikos Chrysogyllos. I am a Greek Green member of the European Parliament. As you maybe know, the next Council of the European Green Party will happen in Greece in November. Greece is my country, so you can visit Greece and you can understand better what happens there, what is the social situation and what the Greens can do, expressing their solidarity for the Greek society, but not only for the Greek society, but also the other societies in crisis. Yes, I live in Athens. Athens is my city. Maybe you know Athens from newspapers and television, but Athens is a live city. You can come there to see what happens in Athens, but also to see how the young people react in crisis. You can visit alternative centers. You can discuss with the local people. There is something very interesting happening in Athens too.